Jordan.
I sit here and I wonder, as life seems to be way more than what I've expected, still there is a test that I have to pass, but I'm asking for an angel. I lost somebody so close and dear to me, and it just seemed like last Saturday he came and gave me a hug surprisingly, and I never expected that a massive heart attack would take his life so quickly. Now I have a sister who comes home from Afghanistan in Nashville, now finna lose over half of her legs because of inborn cancer. And twin is hurting. So maybe I'm telling her story and somebody else's, but God, I need an angel. See, I need that angel to calm my storm down, because right now, God, it seems like I'm too busy trying to walk on water and I can't see you, so therefore I'm not focused on how to hold on to you. So God, I'm asking you to send my angel wherever he or she is. Let her put her right hand on this right shoulder to calm me, please, because I guarantee, God, it just all seems way too more than just easy. It seems like I'm being pulled and tangled like tug of war, like, God, you got me, but then the devil got me, but then, God, I'm asking, if it's not my will, let it be your will, Lord, because now it's just too much for me. So, God, guarantee me some serenity. God, please give me some type of peace and quietness, because too much noise is in my head and eyes keep ringing and noise is just making me bleed. So God, if you hear me, please. I'm not asking for the world, God. I'm not asking for all this fortune, money, and fame. I'm just asking for one thing, God, and that's simply send me an angel. Thank you.
Don't give it up.